Hi buddies, welcome back. Today we're gonna go ahead and insert a SIM card to your Galaxy Tab S9 FE 5G, and for that we need our SIM card and our SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip, and then we need to go ahead and find our SIM card slot, and on the tablet it is up here on the top, so we will open that up, take it out, and then we see we have space for a SIM card and then also an SD card. So we'll take our SIM card and then insert that like this, and then we'll put the whole thing back in the tablet. And now we first need to unlock our SIM pin, and then we're back. And when we go to our settings, and when we then are in connections and go to SIM manager, we see our SIM 1 here. So you can now go ahead, send messages, SMS, make phone calls, or whatever else. So that's how you can insert a SIM card to your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. So thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.